How to fix dark mode not working on YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. Click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on General, which is the first option. Then click on Appearances. Then click on Dark Theme. And if it's not working, what you can do is go back, simply hold on to the YouTube app on the home screen and click on App Info. In App Info, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Storage and Cache, which is the third option. Clear cache. Only make sure you clear cache and not clear storage, as it will remove all the data of your YouTube. Then go back and then click on Force Stop and force stop the app. If it's still not working, open Play Store and search for YouTube. If there is any update available, update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause the problem. After that, simply open YouTube and then go to You at the bottom right. After you click on it, click on Help and Feedback. Click on Send Feedback at the bottom. And then in here, simply type in, I am having problem with dark mode. It is not working, and send it. YouTube will get back to you and solve your problem. This is how to fix YouTube dark mode not working. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.